Alright guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Peter, and the other day I saw a guy on YouTube from UK. He rebuilds and flips cars, and he had like, I don't know, 20-30 videos, half a year on YouTube, but he had 66,000 subscribers. And how he did it? With a Ferrari. So I thought, I'm going to buy an Italian car. So we'll see how that's gonna help me. So I bought this little Fiat Panda. It's 1.1 liter, it's 2004. It got mismatched rims, dink right here, another one right here. This headlight has been replaced. This one needs buffing. Under the hood we have a 4-cylinder 1.1 that's producing a whopping 50 horsepower, and it developed a huge oil leak everywhere. Culprit is the cap or the gasket around the valve cover here, so we will be replacing the valve cover gasket. The battery was dead. I drove it 100 kilometers now. It seems to be fine now. It's charging, it's not knocking, it's not smoking. But the previous owner was smoking in this car. So is this a smoker's car? I don't know if this thing even has an ashtray. Probably not. So we have a lot of ash inside the cup holders and on the lighter here. Lots of trash. The seats are gone and trashed, so we need to replace the front seats. The rear seats are stained as hell. The headliner is stained, as you can see. The steering wheel is all chewed, but it does run. It has 255,000 kilometers. So as you can see, it does run. We have a check engine light, so we will need to address that. It doesn't smoke, doesn't skip. The engine's pretty quiet, as you can hear. And the main issue with this car is this. Can you see the rocker panel? Yeah, we got the hole in the rocker panel. It wouldn't be that big of a deal, but since it's winter out now, I don't know how I will be painting that thing. We got good tread on the tires. The mismatched rims, I wanted to replace them so they match, but I don't have the money for it right now, so we will put the hubcaps on it and call it a good. So the main thing is to solve that check engine light. I hope it's not the catalytic converter, although it's right there and it's easily accessible, as well as the O2 sensors and everything. This motor and this car is easy to work on. It has no power windows, no power locks, no nothing. Oh, and also it doesn't have power steering, just an alternator for your accessories. So this thing is pretty base, and got a little trunk bag here, and that's it. Oh yeah, and I got a set of summer tires with it also. These are pretty old, but hey, whatever, we will give them the next owner. Yeah, and this little thing is missing. So I hope you like the new GoPro 7 Black that I have, and you're looking forward to our new project. And if you are, please hit that subscribe button, like, share and comment. And I will see you in the episode 2 of the Panda flip. So until then, be safe out there. I'm out of here. Bye.